In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively apply gradients in Photoshop, a powerful way to enhance your digital designs. Gradients allow you to blend colors seamlessly, giving your images depth and dynamism. Let's dive into the process, ensuring each step is easy to follow. First, you'll want to decide whether you want the gradient to cover the entire layer or just a specific section. If you're focused on a particular area, you'll need to make a selection beforehand. For this, tools like the lasso tool are incredibly handy. However, if your aim is to apply the gradient to the entire active layer, you can skip making a selection. Next up, let's find the gradient tool. It shares its spot in the Tools panel with the Paint Bucket tool. To access it, click and hold on the Paint Bucket icon until you see a small menu from which you can select the Gradient tool. Alternatively, you can simply use the shortcut G to access it directly. As you select the Gradient tool, keep an eye on the Options bar positioned at the top of your workspace. Here, you'll see different gradient settings, such as the Preset drop-down menu and gradient type. Now, it's time to choose or edit your gradient. By clicking on the Gradient preview in the Options bar, you'll open the Gradient Editor. This is your playground for creativity. You can either select a preset gradient or customize your own by tweaking the color and opacity stops. If you're using a newer version of Photoshop, you might also enjoy using the on-canvas controls for more intuitive editing. Once you're satisfied with your color choices, consider the gradient type or mode you wish to apply. Photoshop offers a variety of gradient fill types to suit different creative needs. The linear gradient blends colors in a straight line, perfect for simple transitions. A radial gradient may be more your speed if you want colors to radiate from a central point. Opt for the angle gradient if you're looking to create a counterclockwise arc of colors. For a mirrored effect, choose reflected, and for a unique look, diamond blends outward in a diamond-shaped pattern. You can select these options easily in the Options bar. Let's delve into some additional settings. The reverse option flips the direction of your colors, giving you more control over the look of your gradient. To reduce unwanted banding or visible color steps, you can enable Dither, which adds a touch of noise for smoother transitions. If you plan to apply the gradient as a fill layer or a layer mask, you might want to adjust the blending mode and opacity to suit your design vision. Finally, let's apply that gradient. Click on the canvas where you want the gradient to begin, then drag towards where you'd like it to end. The length of your drag gesture directly influences how gradual the transition appears. If you want to keep your drag perfectly straight or at specific angles, hold the Shift key while dragging to constrain the angle to 45-degree increments. And there you have it, a beautifully blended gradient to enhance your image or design. Exploring these steps allows you to bring creativity and professionalism to your work in Photoshop.